welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. I create hair care, beauty, and lifestyle content. If any of those interest you, definitely subscribe before you leave. If you are not new to this, but you are true to this, welcome back for another video. I really appreciate your continued love and support. So today we are here with another wig review, and it is this gorgeous wig as you can see here. Right now it is in a curly state, but this is actually a 2-in-1 wig. So this hair is from Atina Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. This is their wet and wavy 2-in-1 kinky straight to curly wig. It is a 13x6 lace frontal. So this hair off the bat, as you can see, is so friggin' pretty. I love the texture. For me, I am not a wig finesser when it comes to laying like full frontals. I'm more of a closure girl or a U-part wig girl, but this hair, you guys will see like later on in the video, I'm going to show you how this hair arrives to you. The way that it comes to you, it honestly is like ready to go straight out of the box, but I did customize it a little bit more. I'm going to show you guys my application process. I didn't go super in detail, but I'm going to show you guys what I did to lay this down. Personally, I'm loving my install. I think this has honestly it is my best frontal install that I've ever done. I picked up a few new tricks and tips here and there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to show you guys how this hair comes when it first arrives. So you're going to see it in its kinky straight texture, which is gorgeous, is beautiful, and I love the fact that this is a 2-in-1 wig, like perfect for when you're going out, especially on vacation. If you want to wear your hair straight, it does straighten very nice and gives a very natural, like black girl friendly hair look. It looks like blown out hair. And you know, for those times when you go for a little dip in the ocean, in the pool, wherever, it turns into these gorgeous, beautiful curls. So it's like, honestly, it's all you ever need. Like, it's the best of both worlds, honestly. Okay, you guys, so I want to say a super huge thank you to Atina Hair for sponsoring this video. So this is the package that you will receive your hair in. Okay, so in your box, you will receive your hair, and it does come in a Ziploc bag to keep it protected. You will also get a scarf. This is the scarf that I got, which is actually a very pretty color and pattern. They did send over an edge brush. You can never have too many of these. They also did send an elastic band, which I'm very happy about because I will be using it for this wig. I want to do a glueless application. And they also sent over wig caps. This is the 13x6 lace front wig. It's a 20-inch wig and it's 160% density. This is the wig fresh out of the box, and I'm feeling the texture right now. Definitely is giving natural hair vibes, like your natural hair blown out silk press vibes. So this is the wet and wavy hair, meaning you can wear this hair straight or you can wear this curly. So it is, again, a 13x6 lace frontal wig. Okay, so first things first, I want to like show a huge appreciation to this hairline because I really do hate plucking the hairlines of wigs and having to do all that. But as you can see, this hairline is pretty legit. Like, you can definitely go in and pluck some more to customize it even more. But it's not super dense like the average hairline, which I am loving. It does come with baby hairs already in place. Like, I'm actually loving this. I'm gonna pluck some more, but if you're not someone who knows how to like personalize your wig, this wig is definitely like a plus, because literally look at that. Like, you really don't have to do that much customization. I love that. So get into this texture of this hair. Legit, this is like natural hair blown out. So yeah, so this is how the hair comes to you. So right off the bat, if you just want to like straighten this hair, throw some curls on it, like, you're gonna be good to go. I don't want to show you guys like when it comes to the parting. I just parted with my fingers, but I just want you to see how natural the part already is. Like, honestly, you really don't have to pluck this wig at all. Like, at all. You can to make it like even more flawless, But I really love the fact that this is kind of like come to you already customized. Like I'm actually loving that because I'm not the best at customizing wigs. I'll be the first to say that. I am going to like bleach the knots and dye the hair black. Okay, you guys, so this is the wig after I have dyed it, plucked the hairline, and bleached the knots. I put some wrapping lotion on it and let it air dry, and this is what it's looking like. So I will be using my wig grip to do my application today. I like glueless installs where I could just take my hair out. I am using some foundation to go over the lace part, and this is just going to give it a more scalp feel to it, give it a more natural look. And right here I was just cutting off the lace. I tried to do it with the razor, but it was too jagged. It just started looking crazy. So I just went in with my scissors and did what I had to do. And cutting your wigs on your head is so much more beneficial than cutting it while it's like on a dome head or a wig stand. It's cut it on your head. That was one of the mistakes I used to always make when trying to apply these wigs. I used to try to customize it fully on the wig head, and then when it came on my head, it just never looked right. So now I'm just going in and I'm making some baby hairs, and I am mixing the baby hair from the wig with some of my actual natural baby hairs that are out. I feel like this just helps give a more natural look, and then I don't have to wear the wig as far down on my forehead. So I'm just laying that down. I am using Got To Be Glued gel. And now I'm going in with the free spray, and I'm going to use a rubber elastic band to actually tie the hairline down, and that's what's really going to give it that melted look. I'm going in with some concealer again to make the part look a little bit more natural, and I'm going to set it with some foundation powder as well. Now after you take it off, look at that, and that's literally like within 10 minutes. So the free spray plus that band, the rubber band, it literally is going to melt your lace for you, so you get that melted, glued down, you know, super laid look without it actually being permanent. You can take your wig off every night. So now I'm just fluffing out the hair, and this is what it's looking like. I'm going to trim it up a little bit because the ends were a little bit uneven. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product of my install. You guys have already seen the end result from the intro, but let me go ahead and just give a little spin so you guys can see this hair in all of its glory. So pretty. So yeah, this is super pretty. The length is so realistic, let's be honest. Like, I did expect the curls to be, I guess, a little bit more like kinkier in texture, but I'm okay with these. Like, I'm so okay with no fuss hair. Like, that's what I prefer. So I'm not complaining at all. I'd rather curly wigs that are like 1-2 done, detangled, versus trying to fight with it. It's not my thing. I do not enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you are loving this hair, because I am. Let me know how y'all feel about my little application. Your girl is getting better. I am getting better. I am getting better at these install. I need to tone it down a little bit on the baby hairs. They a little thick. But your girl's getting better. I am so in love. I'm sorry. I'm very proud of this laying right now. Okay, guys, well, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, if you like the look, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.